What's going on, everyone? Today it's going to be a short video, but it's slightly different than what I normally do on the channel. It's usually not creative, but today we are, and we're exploding a big block of TNT. Pretty big. This goes down like down there, all the way down there, and well, here's the explosion. Here we go. Oh. Hold on. RIP village. Okay, that went down to bedrock. Okay. And there's already a slime down there. Hold on. I want to kill you, slime. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, come on, oh my gosh, that was so MLG. Not even kidding. Oh, and again. These are hard to hit though. I'm gonna rain it down. You're never gonna see the light again. Oh, there you go. Well, you are right now. I'm so sorry. But you get the point. You're probably gonna die very quickly. Yeah. Okay, I'm kind of cheating now. Ooh, big slime. Bigger slime, I think. Bigger. Okay, no, it's the same. Oh my gosh, there's already creepers spawning. I know you wanted to see the explosion, but you did, and now you can exit the video if you want. But drop a like if you want more TNT explosions, and next time I might go a bit bigger. But there is a max limit, so yeah, but I guess goodbye.